guys, if you're enjoying Apex Motorhome, please hit like, leave a great comment, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss our next luxury RV adventure.
You are not looking at an RV anymore. You are looking at a rolling 3-story mansion that costs more than some beachfront homes in California, and the craziest part is that this giant machine can actually drive down the highway. Welcome back to Apex Motorhome, and today we are stepping inside a jaw-dropping triple-deck luxury RV designed for people who refuse to compromise on comfort, technology, or pure attention-grabbing style. From a private glass elevator to a rooftop swimming pool, this machine feels less like a motorhome and more like a futuristic luxury resort on wheels. The exterior alone stops traffic instantly. The body design looks incredibly sleek, aggressive, and futuristic, with a deep glossy finish mixed with metallic accents that reflect sunlight like a luxury superyacht parked in Beverly Hills. Massive panoramic windows stretch across all 3 levels, while hidden LED lighting wraps around the entire body and creates a dramatic glow at night. Every angle of this RV feels engineered to make a statement. Even the storage compartments are motorized, opening silently to reveal custom luggage sections, hidden utility systems, and premium outdoor entertainment setups. This thing is huge, but somehow every line still feels elegant and aerodynamic. Now let us step inside because this is where things become unbelievable. The moment the automatic doors open, you are greeted by marble flooring, floating stairs, ambient lighting, massive digital screens, and luxury furniture that honestly belongs inside a penthouse suite. Right in the center sits one of the coolest features ever added to a motorhome, a fully transparent glass elevator connecting all 3 floors. Watching this elevator move through the center of the cabin feels absolutely surreal. Starting on the first floor, this level is designed like a luxury social lounge mixed with a high-end apartment. The living area features oversized designer couches facing a cinematic LED wall with a fully integrated smart technology system controlling lighting, climate, security cameras, entertainment, and even window privacy settings. Just behind the lounge sits a stunning chef-style kitchen loaded with marble counters, premium appliances, hidden storage compartments, and a futuristic dining setup. Across from the kitchen you will find a beautiful guest bedroom connected to a luxury bathroom with rainfall showers, heated flooring, and glowing mirror panels. There is also a dedicated medication area featuring smart cabinets, temperature-controlled storage, and emergency medical support systems. Moving farther into the first floor, there is even a hidden laundry section equipped with luxury washer and dryer units designed for long-term travel. Everything feels carefully planned to make life on the road feel effortless. Now the glass elevator takes us to the second floor, and honestly this level feels like a private luxury hotel. The master bedroom is absolutely massive, surrounded by floor-to-ceiling windows offering panoramic views everywhere you travel. The bed itself looks like something built for royalty, while the surrounding LED mood lighting completely changes the atmosphere at night. Right beside the bedroom sits an incredible spa-inspired bathroom featuring dual sinks, a giant soaking tub, marble walls, and a rainfall shower wrapped in glass. But this floor keeps getting crazier. There is also a private massage room designed for total relaxation after long drives across the country. Soft lighting, premium massage equipment, calming digital displays, and built-in sound systems make the entire space feel like a 5-star wellness retreat. Across the hallway sits a modern office area with advanced computers, smart screens, and luxury seating, allowing owners to manage business meetings directly from the road without sacrificing comfort or professionalism. Finally, the glass elevator rises toward the 3rd floor, and this is where the RV transforms into something completely insane. The top level includes another luxury bedroom, a fully equipped designer kitchen, and an additional bathroom finished with premium stone textures and glowing ambient lighting. But the real showstopper waits outside. The rooftop opens into a private luxury deck featuring a stunning swimming pool overlooking the skyline around you. Imagine relaxing in this pool during sunset while parked beside the ocean, mountains, or downtown Las Vegas. It honestly feels unreal. Before we end this tour, you have to see the driving cabin. This cockpit looks more advanced than some private jets. Massive digital displays, futuristic controls, smart navigation systems, luxury captain chairs, and surround camera technology give the driver complete command over this giant machine with incredible precision. And somehow, despite all this unbelievable luxury, the entire mansion still moves smoothly across American highways every single day. This triple-deck RV proves that luxury travel has officially entered a completely different era. If you enjoyed this insane tour, subscribe to Apex Motorhome right now because the next luxury machine might be even crazier than this one.